What are the biggest lessons learned from owning a pop-up drink stand? The biggest lesson is that location and speed matter more than your menu, because people walking by decide in seconds whether to stop, and if your line moves slow, you lose customers even if your drinks are amazing. Think of your pop-up stand like a tiny stage where every second counts. If someone walks by and sees a long line barely moving, they will just keep walking, even if your lemonade is the best in town. So the real secret that most new owners never think about is called the 2-minute rule, where if a customer cannot get their drink within about 2 minutes, you start losing money without even realizing it. Successful stand owners pre-make bases, syrups, and ice cups the night before, so all they are doing during the rush is assembling, not creating from scratch. Another thing barely anyone talks about is that your slowest employee sets the pace for your entire line. So training one person to be fast does nothing if the other person bottlenecks everything. The stands that make real money treat prep work like a science, not an afterthought. One common mistake is pricing drinks based on what feels fair instead of what covers your real costs, including cups, ice, labor, and even the pop-up tent rental. A simple fix is to calculate your total cost per drink and multiply it by 3 to land on a healthy price. Another mistake is ignoring the weather forecast, since one unexpected rainy day can wipe out your profit for the week. The tip here is to always have a backup indoor location or a rain plan ready to go. Lastly, many owners forget to track repeat customers, which means they miss out on building loyalty that turns a slow Tuesday into a busy one. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.